Hey, this is Nick Inman from VolumeProfileTrader.com on Thursday, October 27th, and let's just jump right into SLV. We can see SLV was up huge today along with the rest of the market. We can go right into the fact that we saw this pattern. I talked about this in prior videos, that we had this triangle consolidation pattern, and if you caught on to the trade like I did, I bought right on the breakout around, I want to say around $31.50. So literally right when it was poking its head out. And it's been a monster of a trade. Unfortunately for me, I took most of my profits in this 30. It was yesterday's open, right at yesterday's pop, which yesterday looked like a great idea until we had a monster day today, which is fine. You just have to recognize when a bigger time frame move is coming, and this particular trade, I did not do a good job at doing that. Hopefully you did. Hopefully you're still long silver because it's not telling you to take profits yet. Although personally for me, I like to sell into strength. Others like to sell on like the first down day. That's fine. It's a preference. It's how you manage your risk. So basically what we're seeing here on this 60-minute time frame chart of silver, is basically more movement to the upside. We get a little bit of sideways consolidation for 1 or 2 days, and bam, a move higher. And now we're starting that again. I doubt. I would say it's hard to say. This thing keeps going like it has from $31 to $34 in 3 days, 4 days. But it could, and one thing to look out for is, if you are still long silver, is any kind of test back towards this prior consolidation around $33. If we do see that, this is what you should expect. These moving averages will be catching up, and they'll all probably be in the general range of this $32.50, $33, and that's probably a decent place to get long for a further upside move in SLV or silver. I wouldn't, personally speaking, it's hard for me to trade silver in terms of holding for the long term. I think we saw our huge move back at the beginning of the year. That was a killer move, a great move, and it's just hard to fathom that happening again, although it could. And one way to be a part of that is just to own some SLV shares. I wouldn't be buying this right now because it's so far extended, so wait for the pullback or more sideways consolidation where the moving averages and enough time has elapsed to where they catch up, and then you get your spring, $2 or $3 more higher, wherever it goes. So this is just, my update on SLV. I hope you're still long. I hope you're still making money, but just be aware that, it's had a nice run, and it's not a bad thing to take profits.